test. No. Here, this website is a testing website. So here you will get the test username and password test for the login purpose. But just imagine you forget your username and password and there is no any type of clue. Then how you will log in for that website? I will demonstrate you how you will log in for that website. But before going to practical demonstration, let's understand how it works. Now you catch the point of that codes, how it works. Let's take an example. We take an example like xyz.com. We have a website xyz.com. Okay. We have a website xyz.com and we have a column like username and password. Okay. The username is Aman and password is 123. As you know, the username and password got stored in our database. Okay, in our database. So what actually going to happen here? The username Aman and password 123 going to check with the database also. The Aman password and username Aman and password 123, is it present in our database or not? If it is present, then we will we get the login access, otherwise not. But why? If we type username Aman and password we have typed 1234, can we get the login access? Can you tell me in chat box, can we get the login access? Okay, no problem. Here we will not get any type of login access because in our database we have username Aman and the password is 123. But if we check, the username is Aman is present, the username Aman is present, but the password 123 is not matched with the password 1234. So here we will not get any type of login access. It means that here all game is turning around our database. So here we have to compromise, we have to hack, we have to uses a database query, that is select star from where username equal to Aman and password equal to 123. Now here we will use our logic for bypass this type of login website. Okay, we will use our logic. First of all, the username Aman and password is 123. We have to correct this query. First of all, we have to correct this query at any cost. So how to do that? If we talk about 1 equal to 2, is it true or false? Please tell me in chat box, is it true or false? 1 equal to 2 is true or false? Obviously false. But if you talk about 1 equal to 1, then obviously true. Obviously true. Now, what is the sense? Let's check. We have to correct this query. Our motive is we have to correct this query. So here we will put this type of string in our username or database. Okay. Now let's check. Select star, read from first, select star from where username equal to A. A is not present in our database, so it will return false. But here there is one operator called or. So it will take OR and it will check P equal to P. First condition is false. The second condition is true or false. Obviously it is true because P equal to P is true. So our username got true in that condition and password also got the true because password is not A, and after that it will check OR operator, and after that P equal to P is condition true. The condition of P equal to P is true because we use the symbol of equal. Yes, correct. So overall this condition is true. So now here we can bypass username and password. So here we have put this type of query and we have to put same in password as well. And after press login button, we will get the access of this website. And see, we have asking name, credit card number, email, phone number, address. Is there any doubt till now? No, sir. Okay. Now the second move is cloud computing. Okay. And after completing the cloud computing, I will demonstrate you one more thing also. Explain again, sir. Okay, sure. I will explain you again. One second. Our main motive is we have to bypass this website username and password without knowing username and password. We have to bypass this type of website where we have to ask username and password, but we don't know username and password. I do not have any username and password, but I have to bypass this website. So how we will do that? So for that, this query uses in our database. The database, I think you also know about SQL, structured query language. Structured query language. In this SQL, there is query select star from where username equal to, just like we have type Aman and we have type 123. Okay, 123. So if in our database the username is Aman and password is 123 is present, then we will get the login access. But we don't know the username and password. We don't know username is Aman and we also don't know the password is 123. Then how we can bypass it? So in this condition, we have to use this type of string. Okay, who make it correct? Make it correct this all query. Select star from where username equal to A, which is false. But P equal to P is true. So in this case, the username is true. The condition of username will be true. And also same for the password. The password equal to A, it is false. But P equal to P is true. I hope you got that point. We have to make the correct to this query at anyhow. If you make this query correct, then you will get the login access of any website. But make it sure that website should be vulnerable. Is it clear now? Okay. Now we will move for the next. Now we will talk about the cloud computing, that cloud technology. Can anyone tell me what is cloud? First of all, I want to discuss what is cloud. What is cloud computing? Do you know in day-to-day life you are using your cloud computing technology? Every day you are using cloud technology. Do you know? Any example? Anyone can give me any example of cloud which you are using currently? No problem. Do you there is one chat, OneDrive, correct. There is the good example, OneDrive. Now OneDrive, Mega, Terabox, Google Drive, AWS, Microsoft Azure, it is the example of cloud. Now I will tell you what is cloud. Cloud basically uh, tutorials that provides the virtualization technology which allow you to create, configure and customize application via internet connections. What is it means? Let's take an example. Okay, again we have to take example. We have 100 GB of data. Okay, we have 100 GB of data, but we do not have any type of storage. Okay, we do not have any type of storage where we can store our 100 GB data. So here what we can do, here we will take the help of Google Drive, okay, Terabox, Mega, OneDrive and so on. There are various types of software who provides the cloud software. So here Google Drive, Terabox, Mega, on OneDrive, we can store our 100 GB of data safely. Now you got that point? Do you understand? Every day you are using Google Drive. It is the example of cloud. Now, what basically cloud? So for that, I will use MS Paint for your better understanding. Let's assume we have one hard disk. Here we have second hard disk, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. What we have to do? We have to connect all these hard disks as a single one. What is it mean? What is it means? Just like let's assume here 100 GB. Okay. Here we have 100 GB. Here we have 100 GB. Here we have also 100 GB. 100 GB. And if we merge 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, then it will equal to 500 GB. And here we can store up to 500 GB data on cloud. Is it clear?